Hey guys, welcome to Tech4 Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in this video, I have come up with two hiring update. First hiring is coming from Revature company, second is Sutherland. So both companies are hiring for fresh and recent graduate, and it's a kind of biggest hiring update. So if you are eligible, do apply for this hiring. I will explain you each and everything in detail. But before that, do like this video, subscribe this channel, and also join Telegram and the WhatsApp group so that you will not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about the first hiring update, which is coming from Revature company. So as you can see on my screen, this hiring is officially posted by company LinkedIn page, and they have mentioned calling all Python full stack developer in India. Revature is actively hiring for exciting BFSI project. So currently, company hiring for Python full stack developer, and only two passing batch eligible for this hiring. First one is 25 and second is 26. So if you belong from these batch and you have done BE BTech in your education from CSIT branch, Sagutal branch, then this hiring is for you. And apart from this, company have marks criteria also. So you must have at least 65% marks or 6.5 CGP in your 10, 12 graduation, post graduation. And the main point is currently company hiring only for two location. So if you get selected, then maybe you have to relocate to Pune or Chennai location. So you can choose any one of the location after selection. And it's a kind of immediate hiring. You can check out over here. Company has already mentioned immediate join only. So if you can join company in next month, then this hiring is for you. You can apply for this hiring. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to fill this Microsoft form. You have to enter your like full name, email, phone number, alternative phone number, college name, degree, and your UG branch and all other basic details you can check out. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, do let me know in comment section. I will definitely help you. So this is your first hiring update. Move to the second hiring update, which is coming from Sutherland company, and it's a kind of paid internship. Means company will pay you stipend as well. And this hiring is officially posted by company HR. You can check out. And the main thing is company has also announced your joining date. So you have to start your work from 13th of April, and the last date for the internship is 14th of May. So if you're available for this internship, you can apply for this hiring. And for this whole company is offering you up to 4,000 rupees per week stipend. It's not a per month, it's a per week stipend. So if you're interested, you can directly send your resume over this given email ID, or you can fill this form. HR has already attached form link, which is a kind of Google form. So do check out both the hiring if you're interested. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.